Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your settings. On getting to your setting right here, go ahead and click on here to search for NFC. NFC. Then go ahead and click on NFC right here. It's take you right here. Make sure you turn on this particular button. Once you turn on this button, click on tap to pay. Then go ahead and choose default payment. Go ahead and choose Google Pay. Then go ahead and choose pay with. Always use as default. It's that simple. With that, you can use your Google Pay in any contactless payment that accepts Google Pay. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Pay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.